Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've made a loop video, but I really do enjoy these movements because they encourage you to practice both sides of your body, the right and the left side, for a bit more of that bilateral balance. So this move, if you've seen the quick clip before, it's done outside, but I'm back indoors now just because it's better acoustics here. There's a bit less space, but it's going to be hopefully a bit easier for me to break down the moves. So there are two prerequisites for the main movement. One is a throw movement, and the second one is a back-to-back pass. And you can add in some of the variations in between, including a high whip and an elbow wrap. So I'll quickly show the premise of the movement. So the first variation is the basic version of the movement. You start with rope in your right hand in an overhand swing. That means facing the overhand. This is south. The underhand is north as usual. And I'm facing you, the camera, is west. So you start with the right side, you do a throw movement. Normally when you throw, you're going to land on the back side, but for this movement, I want you to throw and land on your right side, so in front of you, not to your back. So like this, you throw and land on the front side. Part two, which you need to combine with part one, is when you throw and land on the front side, I want you to step with your right foot going over your left foot from the front, like so. And then what's going to happen is when you combine those two together, you have a throw to the back side, throw to the front side, but because you're stepping over, it becomes the back side like this. And then you're going to immediately go into a back-to-back pass. Again, I haven't covered this in the tutorial yet, but this is something that you'll have to know beforehand. So you pass over to your left hand then. So I'll quickly show that as a complete move. Right hand, throw, pass to the left hand. Now I reset and I do the same movement on my left hand. So it's passed over to my left hand. I do a throw with my left hand, landing on my front side. I step over, that becomes my back side, and then I pass over to my right hand. So that's the first version of the movement. So second version now is instead of throwing to your front side here, you're going to throw to your back side, and then you step over. That means the rope's actually going to be in front of you when you complete the move. And then, because now it's in front of you, you need to get it to your back to do the back-to-back pass. You're going to go into a high whip and then low whip, and then you grab it with your left hand, and then you reset. So I'll show it as a complete move. I'm going to throw to backside, step over, high whip, low whip, pass to my left hand, throw to backside, high whip, low whip, pass to my right hand. So that's one cycle. The third variation of the same movement is you go from a throw to your backside, but instead of doing a high whip, you do an elbow wrap and use that to push it down, and then you go into a low whip, grab it with your left hand, and then repeat the same movement. So let's see that in completion again. Throw to backside, elbow wrap, come down, pass to my left hand. Throw to backside, elbow wrap, come down, pass to my right hand. So that's one cycle. All right, so I hope you have fun with that. Quick shameless plug, if you do like the new rope that I'm using, this is actually the new mistletoe berry. It comes in this color, the green and white, and also the red and white. So the two versions are made in universal length with a 5-knot handle. So any height, it should work. You can take out a knot in the handle if you want to make it longer, or you can add in knots in the rope to make it a bit shorter if you like. And right now I'm having a quick promotion for it. If you get the rope before December 1st, at least for this year, 2025, maybe I'm going to do it next year again. Basically what's going to happen is buy the first rope, the second rope is going to be 50% off. You just go to the shop, link is in the description below. You don't have to add any discount code, it's automatically applied. And you can get one color for yourself, one color for your partner. I hope you enjoy it.